Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to plan a trip in the Journey Plan application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the trips button. So first you have to set the departure place where you want to travel from. And then you have to set the destination. So you can just type in any location and then just set it. And as you can see, here are all the available lines that you can use to travel from the place you set to the other place. So if you are interested in more detailed description on any of them, just click on that, and as you can see there will be a map here showing your departure and the destination place, as well as the amount of time it takes to get to one place to the other. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.